1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I am 3. I am the third number of counting. Oh, what is this? Yes, these are cats. And how many cats are these? These are 3 cats. These cats are very funny. A cat is a pet animal and it likes to drink milk. Little cuties, do you know, I can so many things which are 3 in number. These are my jolly friends. These are 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is a very sharp light. What is this? It's beautiful. These are 3 bulbs. 3 bulbs of 3 colors. A red bulb, a green bulb, a yellow bulb. Come on, friends. Now, I'll tell you how to write 3. 3 is written like this. Yeah, it's very easy. Wow. 3 friends are going to school. Oh, it's my time to go to school. Okay, friends, I am going to my school. I am a very intelligent student of my school. I am very happy.